it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Baby Yoda peeking over, like just peeking over a little bit with a Christmas hat on, okay? It's going to be really simple, easy, completely for beginners. So I'm going to walk you through this. If you're a beginner, stick around. You will be able to do this. Really easy stuff, all right? So let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to do stuff. If you like learning how to draw Christmas drawings, or if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff during the Halloween season. This is a seasonal channel. Absolutely hit the subscribe. And next year, when Halloween rolls around, you're going to start seeing tons of videos, and the same thing goes for Christmas. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a ball. But the ball's going to be a little furry, so I'm going to draw this little zigzags as I go around it. Line up here, up for the hat. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to find the edge of the hat. Like the brim of the hat, you know what I mean? Same thing, kind of zigzagging, but it's also this really long shape down here as well. Line over here, up, down, over here. Over here, curve. He's gonna have his hand, you know, kind of reaching over. It's gonna got the what do you call it? Put another one there. That's gonna be his sleeve. Go over here on this side. We're gonna draw his eye over here. One curve and then curve underneath. Go over here on this side. Curve and then curve underneath. Line above right here for the eyelid. We're going to draw a circle here and a circle here for the highlight. And then we're going to fill in that eye because he has a pitch black eye pretty much. There we go. Pitch black eyes. Curve. Gonna go over here and find the far side ear. So I'm just gonna start over here, right? Somewhere over here. And we're gonna start over here as it's already kind of exited out. That side of the ear. Down. Curve down. Right here, nail, out, right here, nail, out, right here, nail. So this could be his hand that he's going to be reaching there. Extend over here, pull up, flatten over here, and line over here. Draw a little smile. And we're going to draw the flatness over here, right? It's going to go over here. And then we're going to draw the other claw. Sorry about that noise. Claw over here. Curve around here. Line over here for this side of the face. And maybe you see the ear come back in. Let's draw a line over here as well for this side of the face. And let's draw the inner ear, just like a line like so right there. And a line like so over here. You can even draw more line over here. Pulling in there. It's going to be the inside of the hat. Pulling out. And down for that Christmas hat. Almost looks like an elf, but it's not. Line underneath here. Line underneath here. All right. we can draw curves here to close off the nails. And there you go. That's a Baby Yoda looking over a corner. One thing I can add is I'd like to add a thick line around the borders of the outer edge. I mean, only the top one, though. See, like the outside line, I'm going to add over here. Pulling over here and line down. All right. Right there. And just kind of thickening out a couple of things here. Don't forget to hit up the... I forgot this edge of the hat. Don't forget to hit up the playlist. There's a whole lot of stuff down there for the playlist. Go check that out. Sorry, the playlist on the channel. There's a lot of playlists for Santa and stuff like that. But what I really want you to do, hit up my full drawing lessons. They are in the description there. They are on Skillshare, and right now you get a free, Skillshare. You get basically free access to those Skillshare lessons. And all the lessons are remarkably easy. They're completely made for beginners, so I absolutely recommend them for beginners. But they are like hour-long stuff. It's like an hour, 2-hour long lessons on how to draw the head, the anatomy, the back, all that, the clothing, cartoons, different kind of cartoons, Go there if you're really looking to level up. It's gonna level you up immensely if you do that. But yeah. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing, and I want you to know that. And yeah, talk to you next time, and I will see you very soon. Say hi to me in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Talk to you later.